Good morning, dear students. Yesterday we have done parts C and D of exercise 11b. In today's class we will do parts E, F and G of this exercise. Okay. So E part is expressed as kilometers and meters. What is given to us? 1580 meters, and we have to convert it into kilometers and meters. Meters are given and we have to convert it into kilometers and meters. There are two units given. Two units are given here, but when we have to convert, we have to see first unit only. So here it is given meters and we have to convert into kilometers. Don't see the meters. When you convert these meters into kilometers, you will get meters automatically. Okay, I will tell you how. So for that, again we have to write that only, kilogram, hectogram, etc. at the top. First you write kilometer, not kilogram, sorry, kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meters, decimeter, centimeter, meter. Again I am telling you, केले हैं दुकान में, दुकानदार से मिलो. Okay, so you have to keep it in mind this way. So you can write kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. Learn these every day. Then you will learn the sequence. Okay, now what is given to us? Here which units are given to us? We are given with 7003 meters. Meters are given and we have to convert into kilometers and meters. I told you, you just see the first unit. So we have to see the first unit. What is the first unit? Kilometer. It means meters we have to convert into kilometers. Just see where are meters? Here are the meters. And we have to convert these into kilometers. See where are kilometers? Here. Now back side. Okay, on the on the left to meters. So just see, we have to come back now. We have to come back. How many steps we came back? 3 steps. So each step divided by 100. When we come back, in other questions also I have told we have to divide. Now by which number we have to divide? When we are coming 3 steps back. So 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000. Means we have to divide by 1000. I have told you here, 1 step means 10, 2 steps means 100, 3 steps means 1000, 4 steps means 10,000 and 5 steps means 1 lakh. Okay, so how many steps we are coming back here? 3 steps. We are coming back. It means we have to divide by 1000. We have to divide by 1000 means this number we have to divide by 1000. So dividing by 1000 means dividing by 1000 means here what will you do? See the 1000 place. See the 1000 place in this question. Always it is not that when you have to divide by 1000 you will see the 1000 place. No, in this question when you have to divide by 1000 or any number when you have to divide, you will see that place only. See the 1000 place. Okay, now what will we do? It is written 7003. Okay, you write it little far, each digit little with little gap. Okay, so 7003 meters. So what will we do? We have to divide by 1000. I told you how, because we are coming back 3 steps. Okay, so it means we have to divide because we are coming back. So by which number we will divide? How many steps we are coming back? 3 steps. It means we will divide by 1000. Okay, 10, 10, 10. So 3 times when you take 10, it becomes 1000. Okay, ones, tens, 100, 1000. You have to write this way at the top. Okay, so which digit is at 1000 place? That will be kilometers, and whatever is left, that will be meters. I hope you have understood. We will write ones, tens, 100, 1000 at the top. Okay, the digit which will be at 1000 place, that will be kilometer. That we will write here. 7 is at 1000 place. We will write 7 kilometer. And what is left with us? 003. So we will write 003 meters. Okay, so in the same way, this question 9567 meters. So we will write once again, these are meters, we have to convert into kilometers. So we will come back 3 steps. So it means we have to divide by 1000. So when we divide by 1000, it means we have to see the 100 place, 1000 place, ones, tens, 100, 1000. So which digit is at 1000 place? 9. So we'll write here 9 kilometer and 567 is left with us. Okay, 9 kilometers, and what is left? That I told you, no, automatically you will get the meters. So 567 meters. Understood? In the same way we will do F part, express as meters and centimeters. Now we have to convert these into meters and centimeters. So what is given to us? Centimeters. We are given only centimeters and we have to convert into, I told you 2 units are given. So we will see the first unit. So centimeters into meters. You just see, where are centimeters here? Here are the centimeters. These are the centimeters and these are the meters. So again we have to move to the left. Okay, so how many steps? 1 and 2. So how many steps we are coming back? 2 steps. So divided by 10, divided by 10. How many steps? 2 steps. 10 tens are 100. So it means we have to divide by 100. So divide by 100 means see the 100 place. Divide by 100 means see the 100 place. 100 place. Okay. So see the 100 place. Ones, tens, 100. So which digit is at 100 place? 6. That will be meters. And what is left with us? 18. So that will be centimeters automatically. In the same way, this question 803 centimeters. So centimeters again we have to convert into meters. So centimeter to meters. 2 steps back. So each step we have to divide by 10. So 10 tens are 100. 2 steps means divide by 100. Okay. So we will see the 100 place. Ones, tens, 100. So which digit is at 100 place? 6. So 6 meter and 18 centimeter. Sorry, next question we have to do 803. So 8, which digit is at 100 place? 8. So 8 meters and 03, what is left with us? 03. So 03 centimeters. Okay. Now next question is part G. Express as centimeters and millimeters. So what is given to us? 52 millimeters. So these millimeters we have to convert into centimeters. These millimeters we have to convert into centimeters. So just see, where are the millimeters? Here are the millimeters and here are the centimeters. Millimeters to centimeters. We are coming back one step. Millimeter to centimeter. So coming back one step means we have to divide by 10. So divide by 10 means see the tens place. Okay. So now we have to see the tens place here. Why? Because we have to divide by 10. See the tens place. Okay. So see ones, tens. Written at the top. So which digit is at tens place? 5. So 5 will be centimeters. And what is left with us? 2. So 2 will be millimeters. Okay, in the same way here, fourth question, 83 millimeter. So millimeter we have to convert into centimeters. So we have to divide by 10. So we will write ones, tens. So whatever is at tens place, that will be centimeter. And whatever is left, that will be millimeters. Okay, understand these questions carefully. And every time you have to write, whenever you do these sums, you have to write these. And nobody will do these questions without writing these and without understanding. Okay. So now with the same, we will start exercise 11C, addition. These are very easy. You have done in 3rd standard also. Okay, these are very easy. I will tell you one question and rest you will do yourself. Okay, so I will explain you 11C is 11C. These are add 5 to 10 questions are there. Okay, so I will tell you question number 10. Okay, how to do. Question number 10 I will tell. Next you will do yourself. Okay, question number 10 you just see. 116 kilometers 76 meter plus 94 kilometers 782 meters. Now you just see, when we have to add kilometers, we will add in kilometers and meters we will add in meters. Don't add kilometers in meters. So just write as it is as these are given. 116 kilometer 76 meters. Okay, so now here 782 meters. So but here are only 2 digits. So don't write 0 in the last. So it will become 760. So to make it 76 only, we will write this 0 in the beginning. Only this difference is there between this question and other questions. In other questions all the digits are complete. But here in this question 76 is given only. So when you write When you have to add, what you people are doing, you are simply writing 76 and downside 782 and you are writing 0 here. It becomes 760, then it will be wrong. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to write 076 and 782. Why writing 0 in the beginning? The number will remain 76 also and we will have 3 digits also. Okay, if you will write 0 at the last, it will become 760. So we will write 116 kilometer and 076 meters plus 94 like this, 094 kilometers. Downside kilometers we will write kilometers. Okay, and 782 meters. Now you can add meters. First you write here, then 6 plus 2 8, 7 plus 8 15, carry over 1, 7 plus 1 8. Then write here kilometer, 6 plus 4 10, carry over 1, 9, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 9 11, carry over 1, 1 plus 1 2. So answer will be 210 kilometer 858 meters. Same way you will do all the questions. Okay, all the questions are in the same way, you have to add only. Okay, next is subtract. Next is subtract. You just see subtract. I will tell you which part. I will tell you this part. You see, ninth part. Again same way, 52 kilometer 96 meters minus 40 kilometer 124 meters. Okay, just see 52. I told you kilometer you can subtract from kilometers only and meters from meters only. You cannot subtract meters from kilometers. So 52 kilometers and 96 meters. Again here 96 and here is 124. Okay, so in the side of meters we should have 3 digits. So to make here 3 digits, what will we do? We will write 0 in the beginning. If you will write 0 in the last, again I am telling, it will become 960. So number will be changed. 96 should remain 96 only. Okay, so you will write 0 here in the beginning. So now if when you subtract 52 kilometer 96, you will write 096 meters and then 40 kilometer and 124 meters. So meter here as it is, 6 minus 4 2, 9 minus 2 7 and here 0 and here 1. We cannot subtract 1 from 0, so we will borrow from here. Here becomes 10, 10 minus 1 9 and here left 1, 1 minus 0 1 and 5 minus 4 1. Okay, so this is the answer. In the same way we will do all other questions. In all other questions, no confusion, directly whatever is given that you have to do same way. Okay, but here 3 digits were given and here were only 2 digits. To make here 3 digits, we have added 0 in the beginning only. Okay, so rest of the question you try yourself and match your answers with the given picture. Okay, so do these questions in your notebook and submit your homework today only.